Mixing of N2 and H2 from an ideal gas mixture at room temperature in a container. What will be the signs of delta H, delta S surround, delta S system and delta G? So first we need to write the equation, which is N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. Okay. From here, if we find delta n is equal to 2 minus 4, which is minus 2. From here, we get the value of delta n to be less than 0. From here, we get that delta h is less than 0. So, delta h is negative. And also, delta s universe is equal to delta s system plus delta s surrounding. Okay. Uh, So if delta H is less than 0, delta S surround will be greater than 0, and delta S system will be less than 0, and delta S universe is greater than 0, and delta G will be negative because this reaction is a spontaneous reaction. Ksp of saturated PCl2 in water is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole cube per decimeter raised to 9. What is the concentration of Pb2 plus in the solution? So for the reaction AB to Ksp is equal to 4s cube. From here we get the value of S to be equal to Ksp by 4 raised to 1 by 3. Okay, so Ksp is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 4 by 4 raised to 1 by 3, which is equal to 0.45 into 10 raised to minus 4 raised to 1 by 3 mole per decimeter cube. So this is our answer. Hybridization of carbon in CH3 minus is, so the here see the valence electrons, the number of bonds here is 3 plus 1 negative charge, which will be equal to 1, so this is equal to 4. So the hybridization is sp3. When MnO2 is fused with KOH and KNO2, colored compounds are formed. What is the name of the compound? So it is given that MnO2 plus KOH plus KNO2 gives a colored compound. So we need to find what the name of the colored compound is. So from this reaction we get K2MnO4. This is a green compound, that's why it is a colored. And from KNO2 and water, this is an important reaction. So from when MnO2 is fused with KOH and KNO2, we get K2MnO4, and it is a colored compound which has a color of green. Now the fifth question is, water gas is produced by. So we need to, so water gas is produced when CO plus H2 plus H2O gives CO2 plus H2O to H2. Sorry. So when steam is added, okay, when we pass steam over red hot coke, we get water gas. Okay, protein is a polymer made of amino acids. Now the seventh question is, strongest bases are. The strongest bases are the least stable species of ions. It is the least stable. stable is directly proportional to basic character. So basic character increases when it is more of a least stable. For example, NH2 minus or the amide ion, and this is a least stable species. Okay.